Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat, India. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be though timeless twin flame soulmate connections, but right from 19th till 25th of July 2021. Okay. Also follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS running. I feel like that some people are not getting notified as per subscription rate, guys. I don't understand what is the trouble. I hope YouTube will fix it. And then let's start with your reading, okay? I saw kind of like there's this magical dust sparkle of stars, kind of, and there's this focus here. This may be some theme that you are working. This may be certain thing that you are drawing, or something that is actually happening in your life. There's certain magical approach that is going to change your aura, your mood, okay? Because I feel people been going through some things, okay, and not it's just not about Libra, other signs as well. Planetary actions are affecting the light, okay, in your area, and I feel now it's going to be something that's going to change. You have the Hermit here. There may be a Virgo around you, okay. Someone is letting you think, so this may be Virgo, but I feel like there's focus, there is something that you're thinking, there's contemplation that you're going through. You people been taking time out here from this particular energy, or it's just your energy, okay? This is basically calling me to say that you are taking your time. You are seeing someone in a different light. So this may be someone who's connected with you. You have the bottom energy as Queen of Pentacles. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or a Virgo here. This may be your person. This may be someone connected with you. This may be, you know, if you're a mother and someone is, now you have children, or this is something connected with the female vibe. However this is connected as an energy form, you are looking someone in a different light, okay? So this can be anyone. Let's see. Someone is approaching you, trying to approach you, and that's why you are having that contemplation prior in order to talk to this person. Hierophant, this may be Taurus. This may be certain regulation. This may be something that is changing in your life, okay? Which is again about some contradictions that you might be having with the person. That's why contemplation. The Hermit is your card of like not letting the other person laugh at your decisions. I feel like I see someone is laughing. You don't know possible, behind your back possible. Librans are going to have that change. They're focusing on their magical sand here. I know this is something deep, okay, but let's see. This is 5 of Cups and 2 of Cups. I feel something is going to come on track here. So as I said, that it's connected with something that you're going through alone possible. That's why contemplation. This may be reunion possible with certain someone you love, you are with, okay? However, this may be about the marriage you are in possible. This is with the person you're going to enjoy the bliss here. Someone who is by your side and taking care of you when you are, you know, feeling down here. There's someone who is making you sad, or you're looking to your relationships in a different light. Now this may not be just one person. This may be a whole lot of energies around you, in your family possible, or someone in, you know, as a relative. There is someone who is breaking your heart, and you're making a move away from them. Now this may be, you know, I'm sorry, you have 6 of Swords at the bottom. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm sorry guys, there is a mess. I feel sorry, there is a mess. But with the 6 of Swords energy, you are making a move. Magically something happened right away. The cards, those were out, okay? To be honest, the cards, those were out. 2 of Cups and 5 of Cups. They went inside when my deck fell, and I don't want to take it out. There's a reason behind it. But you, oh no, 5 of Cups. I apologize guys, you have 2 of Cups. Okay, so that's a pure bliss. I think 5 of Cups went inside. 6 of Swords is the move. This may be the mending. This may be leaving back, you know, the past, or certain things that you people are mending with the person. Now listen to me, one by one. There's going to be certain contemplation and understanding between you and the person. You're either married or in long-term relationship. Now you have 5 of Cups. That was like a disappointment or disagreement, something like that, or you might be sad. That went inside because you needed to come to this 2 of Cups. It's possible this is going to work. This relationship will work, okay? It's flipping. But again, there was a mystery attached with 2 of Cups. I saw it as 10 of Cups. Family complete. you know, emotions settled. It's going to be fine. Two of Cups. Some of you are going to patch up, some of you are going to discuss, some of you are going to be fine, or some of you are going to fix. You will remain fixed on certain idea here. Two cards came out more. This is Five of Swords. I feel like you're leaving the idea of further discussion with someone because you're looking the person and in a different light. There may be a Cancerian, there's a Chariot. There's someone, this is also an Aquarius. There is someone who is making a move, decision, yes. Manifestation, yes. No more torn, no more bleed, no more tears. Something is done here. I also see someone is checking the place, the area, but you're not there, or you don't live in that moment anymore. Okay, so we have something. I want to use other deck here in order to figure out what's with that magical sand. You are with the right person, coming at forefront. Like Two of Cups is also sometimes with the right one. Okay. Page of Wands, maybe an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is a love bond that is growing between you and this certain person. Now there may be age difference. This may be if you're a mother, child, or this may be your son or daughter, as per. But this is someone who is in the early stages of like either 20s or teens. Not necessarily though, but they're younger than you. Okay. So this may be person, or this may be your children or child energy. Immature in a way of like experiences. Okay. Someone is seeking apology here. I see, I'm sorry. There's a repeat of I'm sorry. Someone is saying sorry, and you're taking time. But with the Judgment, some things will be served right here. When you're making decisions, especially connected with relationships, I feel they want to stick with you. They want to stick with you. Okay, if you people are going through certain stage here with the person you spend time with, okay, or years with, okay, but now here there's a contemplation time in the midst, and the energy is all about you're working on that magical sand, you know, and this is your magical sand. What you should do, like kind of like you're seeing everything in the light, different light. Judgment is all about possible mending, possible an apology coming, possible decisions will be revised. I feel there's also message, but right now you're on the go. Okay, because you've been hurt here. Five of Swords, disappointment. What's the magical? What's that? Justice. It's all about you, and it's all on you, Libra. This is all on you. The judgment is on you. The decision is on you. Okay, this may be something in court. This may be something, whatever is right should be served and shall be served. Will it work? Will not? Question. It's on you. Okay, you are, or someone is looking you in that light of magic, like you're a fairy. What action you're going to take? Your next action, it's my karma card, your next karma will define or redefine everything here. Let's see what you're actually contemplating. Look, Three of Pentacles was at the bottom, but again coming. So with the Hermit zone, like you are in, possible, contemplating the things, you are thinking that whether it's going to work or not, okay, whether you should sympathize with something or not. Something is in process, basically, work in process. This may be division of work, this may be not going into any kind of manipulation here regarding the person, making a final move. But I feel like someone is seeking advice from you. Three of Wands energy, in search of something. Okay, you're not keeping anything on hold. Maybe you are going to take a trip in the coming time. Now this may happen in coming 3 weeks or 3 days. 3 weeks possible. Planning on something, like I'm going to take a trip here. Okay, people who are totally single here, if you are, then what's in love? Okay. For some of you, there's going to be some type of confession coming, commitment kind of energy is coming. Okay, I see like magical love story. Oh my god, Ace of Swords. Everything will be happening very fast and settlements will be happening. Settlement mean to say that they are going to be saying it and that's it. Ace of Swords is initiation. It's like a breakthrough, possible in your career, because I'm reading general, but it's also love matter. So I feel something will be decided very soon in your life. Okay, whatever you are unable to decide or unable to talk or unable to convey, I feel the other person possible they're going to convey, or you're going to. I feel there's going to be decision. Magically things will resolve in your life. So when magically things happen, those are spirits, guides, and universe playing the biggest role in your life. When things will settle, everything will settle, mood will change, trauma, trouble, anything that was there, it's going to change. Hermit is not there. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? An offer that you don't want to deny or you won't love to deny. This may be Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This may be Scorpio, Death, but there is some ending and beginning definitely, and this is something that you should consider. Work opportunity or a love opportunity. The change that is going to give you reason to pursue something. That's what I heard. And to leave this aura of Five of Cups. I'm going to use my own deck here. Let's see. There's confession. Someone may end up confessing something. It's okay. I want to do. Confession is coming out again. There's going to be confession of love, confession of some feelings here. I'm telling you that there is something that's going to happen. Next steps, your steps. Something is unfinished here. Okay, there are messages coming. Uneasy. Someone is going to be uneasy because they miss you, or someone is going to uneasy you are, and that's why contemplation time and decision making to give chance or not, to accept apology or not, and if to do the apology and all, moving on. Or someone is uneasy because of the feeling, or someone is confessing something and that's why uneasy. I'm having hiccups. Okay, here you go. What's coming in future? Someone is missing you because something is unfinished. If this is done, you have business to do. Missing you. That's why uneasy. That's why confession. Okay, let me know if this happens. Okay, because magical light. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.